Hi, I'm Jerry Lynn Hughes, and I got to know Dr. Brown about a year ago. I was diagnosed with breast cancer, and when you're diagnosed with breast cancer, your world just turns upside down. You go from a normal day in your normal life to pretty much having 6 or 7 professionals determine the fate of your future. Dr. Brown was one of the first doctors that I went to in trying to make a decision as to a treatment plan for that cancer. After consulting with many professionals, I opted to go with the plan that Dr. Brown suggested. He was wonderful about explaining to me the pros and cons about the procedures he needed to do. He was willing to do things in my time frame, and that was really helpful. Oftentimes, physicians are so busy that they like to just hand you the plan and say, this is what we're doing, and move forward. I didn't find that to be the case with Dr. Brown. He listened to me, he worked with me, he suggested things to me as if I were a family member or someone he cared about. The office staff has been wonderful through the whole process. I think when you first find out you have cancer, you don't really know that it's a journey. You think, oh, okay, I'm going to have this surgery and I'm going to be done. That's not how it is. And Dr. Brown, his staff, and Stephanie have not only been professionals who met with me, delivered services, and performed procedures, but also individuals, authentic individuals who cared about the outcome of what happened with my procedures. I can go on and say positive things about this office and this man and this person, as well as his wife Stephanie and all of the people who work in his office. He cares about what he does and the people he does it for. And in this day and time, that's very difficult to find. I'm thankful for Dr. Brown as I continue my journey. He's been with me every step of the way, been my advocate, been supportive, and has such a positive attitude. His staff reflects his leadership with those same qualities. I would suggest anyone, and I do, suggest to all of my friends and anyone I meet that Dr. Ben Brown is the very best person, the very best reconstructive plastic surgeon, and the very best office that anyone would need to use to meet their reconstructive surgical needs.